We are being circumstance, circumstance influences through our feelings, and all the time we feel that we are victimized, and he is the one who taught us. We need not feel that we have a control over our feelings. We can generate the feeling which we want. We learn that secret. Now we are going to experiment that. Let us laugh 100% without making a noise. And I also tell you one more secret. When I say one, two, three, we all make a funny faces. It is also a exercise for your face. And one important thing of this exercise is when you make funny faces, don't look at your face, see at other face. Then laugh 100%. Let us go ahead with that. One, two, three. Come on. Excellent, excellent. I want to remember one small incident uh, in young in the college days or after college. No, we used to go to a lot of shop, tea shop. We spend a lot of time there, and some of the tea shops they have secret places. Casa will be knowing it in our place. Behind the tea shop, we can stand and drink tea, relax something. One fellow was going, my friend, crossing the shop, and he stopped and came there. He said, "I know you are here." I asked, "Why? How do you know that I'm here?" Because when you laugh from inside, I hear that it is only you. I said, "How come you identify my laugh?" He said, "You are the only one who laughs like this." I like what? I said, "The little puppy, when it gets stuck with the lorry, it sounds like that." I got shocked. Oh my god, this kind of an example I never hear. That I just want to link it to this human sessions. Thank you very much for that. And let us start and keep our mind open. Hand over to Rama sir. All the best, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Vetri, for that beautiful starting of the morning with a smile. Kunal, sir, let's get started. So, what do you want to say? What do you want to start?
Thank you, Ramaji. Thank you, Vetri. A very good morning, one and all. And the silent laughing exercise gave me energy. So thank you so much. That's what we have learned. And I remember Sukdeepak sir has told that why we are getting assembled together in this room is nothing but a simple purpose is that throughout the day we are surrounded with the negativities. So we have to start the day with all the positive things. That's what we are doing. So when we hack our mind to feel the positivity throughout the day, we get the positivity. And that's what is the purpose to live all life with ease, joy, and glory. So that's a great start. And just to will share my experience throughout the previous session, what I've learned is that we all have gift given by our creator. We have to identify what gift have been given, how we are unique, and then give this gift back to the humanity, to the society. And that's how we can get all happiness. And Sukdeepak sir has taught us how we can manage our emotions and how we can live our day moment by moment by choosing whatsoever we want to choose. So that's how I am spending my life. That's how I spend my day, moment by moment. And we all know that we have the power of choice. And today, my commitment is that I am going to choose the choose so that I have the power of choice, and I'm going to choose the choice to spend my the day. So thank you so much. Back to you, Ramaji.
Thank you, Kanai sir. Thank you very much. So good morning once again. What I would like to invite each one of you is to share your empowering feeling, whatever the empowering feeling you have. So not just the thoughts, feeling is the thought in the mind and also the energy or the sensation in the body. So I want you to share whatever you have empowering thought and feeling. Please share with the team. So I invite you to do that. Empowering means it should be helpful, it should be happy thing, it should be useful. So whatever the thought which is empowering, and with the feeling, with the empowered feeling, whatever you have this morning, please share with the team. It's invitation for each one of you. Please come over. Yes, Hasina ji.
Last night I slept with a very sad note in my mind and I didn't sleep well. But when I got up in the morning, I said, I'm all energetic. I'm going to have a lovely day. Nothing is going to stop me for what I'm going to do. That is how I began my day.
Excellent.
Because I didn't sleep the whole night. I thought I'll not be able to start working because I have to do work right in the morning. But I said, nothing doing. I will be able to do anything that is there for me.
Excellent. So you are creating your own feeling, what you want.
Yes.
Yeah. Excellent. Excellent.
And we can see that the full energy, Hasina ji. Go and seize your day. All the best.
Thank you.
So I feel right now, the empowering feeling I have is the connectedness. I am connected with each one of you here, and I feel very empowered and feel connected.
Rama?
Yes, sir.
I would like to ask one suggestion and question to everybody, which can help everybody to forward their life forever. Okay, when we connect ourselves in the morning, are we igniting the quantified result that we'll be having by the end of the day, or simply having the good wishes? If we ignite the day by declarations, that see, we are all powerful for what we will be having by the end of the day, the emotions, the feeling, the expressions, no, then it will be the more fruitful only from thinking, having the good day. But along with that, if I declare, okay, what the result I will cause by the day, and what very possibility exists for me, and for the what purpose I am existing for the other people also, it is going to make the big difference to this planet. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you very much, sir. So it is not only just getting the empowering feeling in the morning, can we also be watchful and be aware of throughout the day, having empowering feelings, empowering thoughts, and can we review at the end of the day whether we really had it? So that's the suggestion from Vijay sir. Thank you very much, sir. Let's all follow that. So now I invite you to share your current empowering thoughts with feeling.
I think I started today with a prayer to generate happiness for everyone. And as you say, you send prayers to everyone, it get bounced on you also. So there was I generated feeling of happiness for everyone, including me. That was the prayers being sent today.
Logo samasta sukhino bhavantu.
Hanji?
Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.
Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.
Yes. Yeah. So we can be happy only when we make sure that people surrounding us are also happy. We alone cannot be happy.
No, very true. There is a wonderful story of a person, or a farmer rather, who had a best crop in the entire country. And when, right, Vitulsi, I think you know that. So when he was asked, how can you really produce such a finest crop, which it is not found in anywhere in the whole country. So first thing he said that number one, I know what is the best crop and how to do it. And I have not kept it to myself, but I've also given it to my neighbors. Because if I just do it for myself, the crop that is neighboring, it will get affected because of the birds. The birds will carry that particular seeds into my farm, and it will spoil what I've got. So what I've done is I have shared that particular crop and the secret of farming to all and everyone who are nearby me, those who are next to me, and that is ensuring that I am also having the best crop and the others are also having the better quality of crop. So unless and until if we want to be happy, if we don't ensure or whatever is in our capacity, unless and until we use that to keep everyone around us happy, we are automatically bound to become happy.
Absolutely. Yeah. Thank you. That's exactly Sukhdeepak sir is doing here. And that's exactly we are all trying to do.
I would like to share what I feel. Actually, yesterday's session and yesterday lesson was kind of thought provoking. It's gone very deeper into me because we have been learning bits and pieces from here and there, something even from great masters. But sometimes it doesn't connect. We will be learning as a theory. But yesterday, how he was describing and explaining the things, I am creating you, meaning even that creation, I am not getting attached. He could have put, I am creating me. That's not actual me. That's again one of the creation. He put the word called I am creating you. That just opened up me. Then I am linking with another thought. It says whatever, even it comes from Bhagavan Rahamana Maharishi also, whatever you do to others, you are doing to yourself. It perfectly fits into this realization because there is a creation inside which I have created, and I am thinking I am doing harm to that person, thinking that I am doing harm to my inner nature, and obviously it is going to stay there and it's going to corrupt every part of mine. Like rightly, Niti and Sandeep started a conversation. If we don't care others, meaning they're all inside, if we do harm to them, we are harming ourselves. That is the empowering thought I got. I feel like I learned all the stuffs. Now I have to go and implement everything. Thank you very much.
Yeah, very true, sir. And this actually connects me that a lot of people, those who are into pain and agony and problems, it is only because a lot of time it is said what you get what you give others. What you give others comes back to you. So sometimes people are not very consciously understanding that what really happening is maybe they are not directly doing damages to others, but indirectly. And there are so many things, like as we say, the subconscious is more important. So similarly, the small things that we do rather than what actually is visible. There are a lot of people who will do everything visible, which is good for you, but they may not actually be in favor of you, and they will be doing lot million of things which will harm you. So one has to really understand consciously that what we are sending out, the signals, the talk, the thoughts, the vibrations, the prayers, are we really praying for others? So even all this, all minute things will matter a lot, which are not visible.
And just to add into what Sandeep mentioned, I remember one of the session from Sukhdeepak sir. He taught us that everything is energy, and even our thoughts are energy. And as per the law of conservation of energy, energy doesn't get destroyed; it gets converted. So, as you rightly mentioned, Sandeep, that if we are creating the positive energy by behaving positively in an encouraging manner with someone, we are creating a particular wavelength of energy. So, and as we all know, the basic science that the frequency, the wavelength of energy attracts the similar wavelength, the same frequency. So it comes back. So if we are generating happiness, happiness will come back. If we are creating the hatred, hatred will come back. So that's what it is. And this is something very basic and this is very powerful. If we understand this, and as Sukdeepak sir say that live your life moment by moment. So just imagine every moment we create positive vibrations. It will keep on coming back to us and around us. As you gave the example of farming, everything will be positive. And that's what is the concept of oneness that sir has taught us. So it's a great thing. Back to you, Rama sir.
Thank you, Sandeep and Kunal sir and Vetrivel. So again, I request others to share your empowering feeling right now you have, so that it spreads to all of us. Yes, Suresh sir. Just before that, sir, good morning, Sukdeepak sir.
Welcome.
You
Good
wanna say-
morning, good morning.
Yes, sir. You want to say something?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. My empowering
morning, sir.
thought is that you guys are doing a great meeting. And
Thank you.
the second empowering thought is that I'm so happy I'm able to connect while we are going to the airport. So have a wonderful meeting.
Thank you.
Stay safe, sir. Travel safe.
Thank
We
you,
are
thank
we are so happy
Safe
that we are able to see you today also.
Safe travel, sir. Have a nice
With my
journey.
mask.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, thank you, sir. Yes, Suresh sir, please go ahead. Share
Yes.
your
Sukdeepak
empowering
ji,
feeling.
सुखदीपक जी, you are carrying the torch of सुख. आप सुख का दीपक लेके हर एक जगह में घूम रहे हैं. आप एयरपोर्ट में भी है, वहां पर भी लोग सुख महसूस करते रहेंगे. जहां भी जाएंगे वहां सुख. उन्होंने मॉर्निंग में आपके बारे सोचते हैं, दीपक जी आ जाते हैं.
Yeah, go ahead, sir, Suresh.
Yes, sir. Every day, right from the beginning, people are in my mind with whom I am connected. And nowadays, a lot of people are suffering with corona kind of thing and all that. I keep call everyone almost, or their family members, and talk to them what is the position, what is the condition, and I to them they are very happy, and they say, even I tell them if any financial help is needed, maybe I can support them. So that kind of I feel that give them courage or nearness to the people. They share their feelings and they're happy. This is what I am doing.
Thank you, sir. That's great. That's great too.
Because the way we treat others, others will treat us. They respect it.
Yeah,
Vijay,
the way you see yourself is the way
Because
you treat yourself.
I am living
Way-
because not I am living, I am in their hearts or I am in their minds. That is where I am living.
Yeah.
Right. Yes, Asina ji, you want to
No,
say
no,
something?
I'm just agreeing with him.
Ramaji, can I say something?
Yes, sir.
See, yesterday we learn about the creation, no? And the relationship that human beings have with the creativity and the possibility, they remain connected. So I'm coming back on my old subject again, how we are connecting and creating ourselves as a creator. When I say creation, mean it has to exist. It doesn't remain only in the air. It has to be crystallized. It has to be documented. What I am going to create today, for example, no, if I'm taking example one day only, then my whole plan, whole blueprint should be clear. Now, when we declare in the morning, no, when we meet in the morning, we should come with the clear thoughts of what I'm going to achieve today. If suppose at the night 8 o'clock and 1 second, if somebody has to read out, okay, what the Rama, what the Vijay, what Asina ji, what the Kuning ji ने achieve किया, तो हम declare करेंगे सर. हम डिक्लेयर करेंगे तो वो हमारा वो ड्राइवर बनेगा, हम उसके हिसाब से काम करेंगे. हम डिक्लेयर नहीं करें तो क्या होता है, चलो ठीक है यार, अभी तो वो हवा चाहती है तो बोट चलती है तो जाने दीजिए आगे भाई, कल देखेंगे वापस, कल सुबह में वापस आएंगे, कल सुबह में और एक कन्वर्सेशन होगी, मुझे और एक थॉट मिलेगा. तो हम क्या है कि जाने अनजाने में मैनिफेस्ट ये करते हैं, जो आया वैसे देखा जाएगा. I would like to invite the people to kind of have the brainstorming on this. How we don't only think only, but how do we act also? How do we produce the results? And that is going to be the real creation, no? Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Yeah. So whatever we decide to do, let's do it. And
Amazing
let's
thought,
also be open.
Ramaji.
Let's also be open to invite something else which is much bigger than what we thought coming during
Yes,
the
yes.
Yeah, yes.
And
Vetri.
let us put down on the paper, let us put down in the system, no? Suppose something I need to do at the 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12:30, 1:45, 5:16. It has to be well documented, no? Then only it will be creation. It will not be only simply the air coming from the various halls of the human beings. So this should be taken into account very, very seriously, because we are human beings. And God has given the power of creation to human beings only. Other are prey or other victims, no? So we are the creators. So
Thank
let's
you.
remember that we are the creator.
Thank you, Vijayji. It was a great idea. Ramaji, I would like to add little more to the thought Vijayji is giving us. Like we also discussed about this. After listening to sir and our empowering morning conversation, everybody gets a thought that what is my focus on? What is that I'm going to focus today? What is that my prime thing which with this motivating thought and the energetic thing I'm going to do? That thing you can even put it in the group where our EMC group is there. No, we all will become accountable for everyone.
Yes.
At the
Great,
end
great,
when
great.
you type it in the group, it may not be entire calendar of yours, but you can just, like, I'm a sales guy. Every day I compromise myself that I think that I need to make 20 calls. It's not less even from a perfect sales guide, 20 new calls. But I land up at 10, 15, something like that. If I put 20 calls evening, I will get feeling that I told all the great people, everybody have become accountable. Then I will end up with at least 20 calls, or I will feel happy that whatever I told, I finished it. Like that, everybody has their own prime objective. They can put it in the group, and we all will become accountable for that. Whatever we speak, we are also going to do that. Thanks for that empowering thought, Vijayji. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, it's great and empowering thought from Vijay sir and Vetrivel. Yes, you can have empowering actions, empowering follow-up, and you can have accountability partners as well. No, whatever you
Great.
want to do, you can declare in the group and you can follow it up. So that's a great idea. So who else has?
तो रामाजी सॉरी, हम डिक्लेयर नहीं करेंगे, ये काम अभी का अभी करेंगे. सुनिए, जब भी बम फटता है ना, तभी ऐसा लोग नहीं बोलते कि मैं 2 मिनट के बाद में भागूंगा ना. जब भी मालूम पड़ा बम फटने वाला है 50 माले की बिल्डिंग में, लोग तुरंत भागते हैं. मैं जाता हूँ, जोता हूँ, सूखता हूँ, उठता हूँ, पानी पीता हूँ, यहाँ जाता हूँ, वहां जाता हूँ, बाद में भागूंगा ना. Sir, we need to be serious, sir. We need to manifest. We need to create right now.
Thank you, Vijay.
Yes.
We need to learn the power of now.
You are
on
Vijay,
a lighter note, me and Rama sir don't understand that much deeper Hindi.
No, sir. What I say, let's create right now.
Yes, yes.
Nothing tomorrow, nothing the next second.
Yeah.
Yes,
well noted, Vijay ji. Thank you very much.
See, you are creating so powerfully, Vijay sir, and you have conveyed that to the team. I'm sure everybody got that. And we are all very, very evolved and free people. So the action is with each one of them.
So can we select the partner right now? Rama, what I invite you, let's say to select the partner right now, before the meeting ends. It ends with the conclusion and with the result that we are accountable and we are giving the results and we are committed. We are not only talking only like politician in Delhi, no?
Right.
कि पानी आ जाएगा, नल आता है, पानी नहीं आता है.
Yeah. So yeah, I think here
so let us give the nal.
Yeah, here we are there to give the directions and ideas. People are evolved and matured enough to pick up and follow it up. So we will not do regime like follow and with the stick and all. People will do it. Yeah. So there are other people also who wants to join. So they will decide. I think each one of you are invited to pick up your own accountability partner and share your plans and daily actions, and discuss with each other and support each other. It's a great idea which is given by Vijay sir. So let's think through and do it.
Fantastic.
I think Bhadresh want to say something.
Yeah. So thank you, Vijay sir. We'll move on to Bhadresh now. Bhadresh, please share your empowering feeling what you have now today.
Good morning, everybody.
Good
It's
morning.
Good
pleasure
morning.
to see all of you here. Now, what's my opinion that we all say that okay, we'll get up in the morning with a fresh mind and happiness, and then we start our day in such a way that entire day will pass the way we want. I feel that that is also a good plan, but instead that one more step if we move ahead, that night before when we sleep. So when we sleep, so we our mind turns into subconscious mind. So when we sleep, that time only we think ourselves that my tomorrow next day will be the very happy day, and I'm going to achieve so many things in my life tomorrow itself. And that way, when we sleep in the night a day before, and so when our mind goes into subconscious, the signals and frequencies goes into the universe, that okay, this person's like happiness, and he wants to achieve whatever in that, so that frequency goes in the universe, and that will come back through subconscious mind. Because as we know that we have learned also, the subconscious mind mainly largely works in our performance first, and that we do not realize. So we also keep our subconscious mind like its happiness, its achievements in our life, and all surrounded people are very happy, so we also remains happy. So when we get up in the morning, so that subconscious mind's already created the environment for us. That's what I want to share my feelings and with all of you. So when
Thank
we
you.
sleep in the night a day before, that time only we have to sleep with the happiness that next day will be the very happy day, very good day for me, for my relatives, for myself, for my all surrounding friends, peoples, everything. Everybody will be happy. As lively somebody had said here that when you're, and somebody has given the example of crop also. So that yes, for that only. So largely that will be affecting, as everybody is happy, so we also remains happy.
Yes,
Thank
that's
you.
great, great idea. Thank you
Just
very
to
much.
just to add on to what Bhadresh Gandhi explained, what normally we do, Bhadresh ji, that before we sleep on the bed, we sit on the bed.
Hmm.
So before we sleep on the bed, we sit on the bed, and while sitting on the bed, reflect upon what I did today, what went right, what went wrong, sort of introspection. And then
That's
commitment to self, that if
that's what
something went
Vijay sir also indicated, Kunayan sir. Yeah, please go on. Yeah.
if something went wrong, then tomorrow I will correct on that. And tomorrow, what is my plan? So as you rightly mentioned that though we sleep, but we are awake consciously. Our conscience doesn't sleep, and it keeps on working. Our mind keeps on working whatsoever we communicate to our mind. That's what Sir has told. Live moment by moment. So before we sleep on the bed, live moment by moment, reflect upon what I did today, what I achieved today, what went right, wrong, and then commit for tomorrow and tell our mind this is what I'm going to do today. And with the complete gratitude, then sleep on the bed and plan for the next day. So that's a great idea. Normally I practice and most of others also practice. So thank you so much. Back to you, Ramaji.
Thank you, Bhadresh and Kunayan sir. It's an amazing idea. We'll all implement that as well. Right. So I invite others to share your empowering feeling, whatever you have right now.
Kasha, Shakti, yeah,
Kasha,
we didn't hear.
Kasha, Shakti. Welcome, Malini.
Morning. Thank you, Ramasan. Good morning, everyone. You know, we my thought is that we learn a lot of things, but we should put it into action, and we should do R&D with our own self. Then we could find the results. When we learn something and when we put it in action and when we see the difference, it gives us a drive, or it gives us an awareness to deal that situation better.
Yeah, I think you are reflecting what Vijay sir also said. It's important to put it into action, not just thinking alone.
Yeah.
But of course, the first step is to understand and think and then implement. Yeah. And you can definitely, each one of us can pick up some accountability partner who can help us to review together and prod us to do it, review together and make it happen. Thank you. Thank
Rama
you.
sir, I propose that we all will declare our partner by 10 o'clock. We will reflect on the group also. We'll be accountable to this group
Yes,
also.
sir. We'll,
by 10 o'clock, everybody will
yeah,
declare.
we will declare in the group.
By 10
in
o'clock.
the
Let's
WhatsApp
commit with
group.
the time.
Sir,
Not with again with the good wishes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I feel the suggestion to accelerate it is very good, but let it be voluntary. Let it be voluntary.
No, that's
And,
fine.
yeah. And I think though 10 people are here, I assume this figure to be say 250, 300 figure. That is going to happen in another few days.
Yes,
So,
yes.
yeah. So we have to even consider those people who are going to be with us. Let's assume they are already with us now in mind. Moment they have the time and all, they will be joining us. So let it keep it voluntary. Sorry, I took more time, but that's my opinion.
No, that's fine, Sandeep. That's fine. It is purely voluntary, and it is the responsibility should be from each one of you. It cannot be somebody else enforcing.
And what I suggest, Rama sir, this would be a major action plan. So maybe tomorrow when Sudeepak sir is with us, we will discuss with him and then take action. But for today, let's start Vijay Shahji with the self accountability. Let's today make you yourself accountable to yourself.
Perfect.
And then we will take it with Sudeepak sir to ask what should be the best way. Because yesterday we learned that celebrate with yourself first. So let's start with self, and then we move to another human beings, another person. Back to you, Ramaji.
And
Great.
Yes,
to
thank you.
add
Thank
to that,
you. Yeah.
Kunalji, if Vijay sir wants to have an accountability partner, whatever you want to do, put it in a group. We all will become accountability partner for you. Evening we will ask you. Just declare it.
Yes.
Like that's what we in another forum we deeply
Um,
declare and deliver.
I'm declaring right now, Mr. Rama will be my accountability partner, and I understand. I feel that Mr. Rama will agree to the same.
Yes, sir.
See,
Thank
this
you.
is like
Thank
a
you.
retrieval. See, this is like a disaster management style, and we are doing the brainstorming. There is no when the fire is on. No, we don't think pani kabhi aayega, when the water will come, when the fireman will come. No, with whatever we jump in and dose the fire. We don't think something will happen sometime. No, when there is a corona, we have to think of immediately of the vaccine. How the Pfizer jump in? No, they say we'll be giving the vaccine to the India for government for the no profit, no loss. Correct? Same way. Action has to be immediate, not in future. Even the future is only thinking only. It's not action.
Yes, sir. Vijay sir, you really put forth this point with absolute feeling that we need to act, we need to declare and deliver, we need to have accountability partner, and you already acted. Thank you very much. It is a great example you showed yourself. I think we'll all follow. Let's give sufficient time for the people to follow it.
I'd like to see.
Thank you very much.
I'd like to see your face. I don't know who you are because I get mixed up with people.
Okay. Yes. Here
I'm
comes
sorry.
Vijay.
I walk in the morning. No, it may disturb the view. मैं सुबह में चलता हूँ.
No, but now it's okay. Now I know who is talking. Now I'll not ask again.
Okay, I know हसीना जी जो हमेशा हंसती रहती है.
Thank you.
Okay, great to see your laughing face. It's a very empowering in the morning. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you. You really empowered us today, Vijay Shah sir. Thank you.
So Leena ma'am has joined. Let's listen from Leena ma'am, Nagaraj, Niti, Suzanne.
Yes, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. Just finished that other program.
Okay.
That's late.
So what we are inviting each one of us is to share your empowering feeling what you have right now.
Oh.
You, each one of us, you can share your empowering feeling, what you feel great about yourself and whatever the thought comes to you.
I'm trying, but to be happy, to be in the moment, and but sometimes what happens, it just vanished from our mind. And again, I go in that subconscious auto mode kind of thing.
So
Thank
we know how to generate what we want, right?
Yes,
So,
yes. Now I am that also. I'm trying.
okay. So right now, do you have anything, any empowering thought or feeling you want to share with us? Yeah, you are sharing your smile, of course. Yeah, great. Thank you.
Be happy is the message.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not only the verbal, it's non-verbal as well. Thank you.
The
Thank
suggestion
you.
from
You all
Nagaraj.
shared today.
Sorry.
What all you shared today?
Oh, okay. Each one shared different things. No,
Okay.
for example, Vetti shared about creating relationship is the empowering thought he got, and Vijay sir thought about having the accountability on generating the empowered feeling and thoughts and making it actionize throughout the day, and end of the day review that, right? And then like that there are quite a few thoughts were shared by various people. You can watch the video.
Yes. I'm
yeah.
definitely watch.
Right. Okay. Thank you. So now others, invite others to share their
Hello.
empowering
Yeah.
thoughts.
Hello. Hello.
Yes. Yes.
See,
Nagaraj
uh,
sir. Yeah. Go
yeah.
on.
See, yesterday we were told that how to honor other person like ourselves. Okay, and that point has not been mentioned by anybody. Well, I just might note there. I honor you. huh, I regard you without any judgment.
Without judgment.
I
Yes.
am grateful to you. You are
Yes.
just a wonderful and magnificent person, just like me. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Now, this type of feeling we should, everyone should have. But the problem is that the person with ego cannot have such a feeling. It is very difficult to uh, change him. Or, of course, you may say, why do you want to change others? You change yourself first, because that's always the people say. Even the spiritually realized people say that don't try to change others, you change yourself. But then, if you just see in general the problem with egoistic, highly egoistic or proudy people is that they will not regard others as themselves. If they do it, then their ego will not be there.
Yeah. So we see ourselves in others. When we
Yes,
see
yes.
somebody and see that they have huge ego, that shows we have our ego.
Actually, they have the ego because they don't see themselves in others.
No, whatever you are seeing,
The others in himself.
whatever you are seeing in others is reflection of yourself.
Yeah, that's correct. If everybody has this feeling, then there will be calmness everywhere.
Yes.
See, that's the problem.
No
So all the
problem.
realization
We
should
are the solutions. We are the solutions, sir.
Yeah, okay. So we have to create such a. But then, how do you induct a egoistic person into our group?
See, we are all monkeys, right? If we do something, the other monkey also will do what we are doing.
But then the other monkey should at least see what we are doing, no?
Yes, if you do consistently, you do it. The other monkey doesn't have a choice; it has to see.
Okay.
I recommend Nagaraji to send this link of today's powerful conversation to those people to whom you know have ego. Let them come into our tribe and we will impact them.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Nagaraj, sir, it's a great thought, and no, we can do, we are doing, we will do.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you. Anything else you want to share?
Okay, see, one more thing is that when you send such invitation to those people, they will think that because of their ego, they will think that, okay, why should I join this group? I don't need this thing because I'm already, you think that whatever is doing is okay. And so I don't need to consult anybody, or I don't need to even discuss with anybody. what is my feelings, and so generally they will not.
That's fine. That's fine. They will join. They will join after seeing you over a period.
Yeah.
When they see you changing, they will join.
And what I see here, Ramaji, that Nagaraj ji is making a judgment about what they will think. It might not be necessary, Nagaraj ji. Your this thought that they might think in that way is created by you yourself, which might not be true.
Okay, it is okay. That's okay. If it is not true, it is fine. But I made just a general statement. That this is the likely thing. That's all.
Yeah, that's fine,
It is
sir.
not a definite judgment that it has to be like that. Okay.
That's fine.
So
We
it doesn't
can
make-
be.
So it doesn't make any difference. It's not accusing anybody. It is not. It's like that.
Yeah. We can be in allowance. It's okay.
Yeah.
We will do our job. We will share with the people. If they join, well and good. If they don't join, it's okay.
Yeah. That's it's a voluntary thing.
Right.
Ramaji, that was a great empowering discussion. I would like to add to that. I'm getting a feeling after listening to Nagaraj sir and Kunainji's explanation and all. The core thing which I learned from Mr. Sukhipat. Now Nagaraj said, whatever the good thought, but there is a problem because somebody is not responding. Something he views that as a problem. Same thing is me before learning everything is first. My boss says something, I'll say there is a problem. But after listening to Suktibak sir, how he will say that? He says, yes, interesting. That is an interesting point of view. He says that even if it is a big problem, you throw at him, you just put him on his table, he'll say, yes, that is an interesting point of view. It doesn't mean that he is accepting it. It doesn't mean that he is taking it 100%, but how he views that. He views that as an interesting point of view, meaning that he is allowing that and he has got a complete choice to take it or not take it, but he is not judging that, saying that it is a problem. I learned that word. It was just doing so many things in my mind. Whenever you see a different point of view or a different person, we have to say ourselves that is an interesting point of view. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you.
Mr. Vetrival, when we say something, unless we accept everything in the life around us and inside us as a whole, complete and perfect, we can't move ahead. The point of view which we utter, which we think, is our coming from our past habit, belief, and everything. So unless the old things are not being buried, they are not being cremated, it will remain alive in the mind, and we will be either expressing or not expressing. If we don't express, it's going to be heart attack. If we express, some opposite person will get the heart attack. So it's always to see that what we always think and what kind of a belief we carry in our mind, and demolish the same. Like the building is getting demolished, structures are getting demolished. When we create the past belief, we are creating the structures of our beliefs and the karma also, which one day will bite us and is ongoingly biting us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We can discreate our disempowering beliefs and the emotions. So we have all the tools to move forward. Thank you. Thank you very much, Vetri and Vijay, sir. So let's hear from Reddy Garu, Susan,
Susan is
Shakti, and
also there.
Malini.
If nobody else, I'll go.
Yes, Nidhi.
Yes. Good
Yes.
morning.
Good morning.
So,
like to see your face.
Yeah, everybody wants to see you, please.
oh, Baba,
Me
I'm
too,
on
me
the
too.
mobile phone, so I'm not very sure.
I cannot
Yeah, here
understand.
comes Nidhi Mathur.
Niti, small suggestion. You have to turn towards your window so that light will put on your
I'll
face.
just
we
turn
can-
my chair.
Yeah, that is the actual. Light should fall on the object. You should
Yeah.
turn back towards the window.
No, since the camera was on, camera was off. I didn't even bother where the light is coming from. Okay, my experience that I would like to share is because of the COVID situation, since the last couple of days, my extended family in Delhi and basically in Delhi, cousins, second cousins, uncles, aunts, grandparents, granduncles, aunts. They're all been affected, and full households, 2-3 full households are down, and that is obviously creating the anxiety. But the good part is, about 2:33 a.m. I was able to get up for my meditation a little earlier than usual. And in my meditation, I was able to connect with each one and send them healing energies. So that is feeling good. So through the day, I'm going to be calling them up and finding out. Up until now, we've not been able to establish much of telephone contact with them. But today, I hope we'll be able to break through that and get some good news before the end of the day.
It will happen. All the best to you.
Excellent, excellent. Yeah.
Thanks.
This is the time we need more positivity, more empowerment, Niti. Wish you.
I would request Niti madam to share the way you have meditated and you have connected with them, and you have shared that healing energy on the group actually. So we don't take much time.
I don't
there
know,
are so many people, it could be useful to them.
I don't know, maybe because it was such a anxious feeling inside. So when I sat in meditation, I just, did my initial phase of meditating to whoever is my chosen deity. And then I went on to calling for blessings from the providence and from all the healing energies. And I took each one's name and I tried to send healing energies through their body to take away all their ailments. And then I went, and the satisfaction I got was once also, if I would say that pass through so-and-so's body and take away all the ailments, I felt totally satisfied. I didn't have to repeat it over and over again. So I took mentally connected with each one, and I said that once, and at the end of it, I sent it to a whole lot of other people, and I sent the whole healing energies into the universe also for everybody known and unknown. So just saying it once only gave me a full sense of contentment. So obviously there was a deeper connect, which I cannot explain much, but there was something. So that felt good.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Now, Sandeep, we all learned, some of us who are with Sukhdeep sir, we all learned how to draw energy from the universe and how to beam energy to the people who need the energy. So that is something simple exercise he taught us.
Ramaji, I would like to interrupt for the moment. I would like to speak to Niti ji. Niti ji, you are the great creator. You've done everything that was required to be done. As accepted by the universe, don't think that they'll be better in the evening when you get the message. Right now, they are better. They are enjoying, they are jumping, they are dancing.
I hope so.
Possibly they are not communicating is a different thing. You see the laughter on your face.
Yeah.
And it's the reflection of what they are doing in the Delhi. Really. If the thing is happening right now. That's why I say think of the right now. Power of now is very important rather than power of the future. No.
Yeah. Yeah.
We always think of the future. We don't take the action. We procrastinate. Just take the actions and just think and just manifest. Everything is there only. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Niti.
Amar sir, Reddy Garu wants to talk something.
Yes, Reddy Garu, go on, please.
Sir, we are planning to go for vaccination for all our employees.
Yeah.
Today, we are sending them for vaccination. But the problem is, I'm more worried that they have gone to a hospital area. So I told them to take all the precautions because nowadays more people are prone to get COVID by visiting hospitals. So I told them to take all precautions, and I also told them to maintain physical distance.